Hi there, Michael Williamson here, and do you want to hear something that might shock you? Well, AI-powered sales teams are finding good leads 7 times faster than traditional teams, but still 78% of technology companies still haven't started using AI for sales. And after 30 years in technology sales, I've never seen anything change the game quite like AI, and today I'll show you exactly how to use it to find better leads faster. But let's talk about the big problem you're likely to be facing. Your sales teams are spending too much time looking for leads. They waste hours on research, and most leads still aren't really that great. And I see these problems all the time. There's too much time searching, poor quality leads, missed opportunities, wasted effort, and that all leads to slow growth. But AI really can start to address a lot of this. But here's what AI can really do for your sales. Number one, find better leads. It spots patterns, finds lookalikes, predicts interest, and ultimately saves time. Secondly, it knows who's ready. It sees buying signals in real time, tracks behaviour, spots changes, and finds the right time to communicate. Thirdly, it makes better matches. It links the right people, finds good fits, shows opportunities, and ultimately saves time. So let me share a real story about this. We helped a technology company use AI early this year. Their sales team was struggling to find good quality leads. Which team don't? Here's what we did. First, we set up the AI tools: lead finding, pattern matching, signal tracking, and then score setting. Then we trained the team how to use it, what to look for, when to act, and how to help. And finally, we measured the results: who it found, what worked, where to focus, and how to improve. And the results were really quite staggering. Good leads were up 312%, search time was down 73%, sales were up 156%, and the team were happier. And here's why it worked. We had better targeting, the right companies, the right people, the right time, the right way. Secondly, we saved time, less searching, less guessing, more selling, more closing. Thirdly, smarter work. AI found leads, the team helped people, everyone won, growth happened. So what do you want to use AI leads for? Well, the first thing is to pick an AI tool. There's so many coming onto the market, I won't name any here, but start small, test it out, learn what works. Then the following month, add some more tools, train your teams, track the results, and make it better. In the following quarter, scale what works, stop what doesn't, keep learning, growing. And what matters most is to really start small, learn fast, help your team, and track results and keep on proving every single day. So if you're ready to try AI, here's what to do. Just pick one task, find the tool that works best for you, test it out, see what works. And then your first week, make sure your team are trained, you've set the right clear goals for them, you're tracking results, you're fixing some of the early problems, which there will be. And then scale what works, add some new tools, help everyone, keep learning. So if you're ready to do that, you may already have some knowledge on this, and it would be great to hear about your comments. What's taking too much time? And if you found this video helpful, just hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your business. And if you want to know exactly how to use AI for your sales, just click the link in my bio for a free strategic growth assessment. We'll look at your processes, your tools, and show you exactly how to use AI to grow faster. And remember, AI isn't about replacing salespeople, it's about making them stronger. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.